So yeah, this is the final message that you receive if your site is successfully imported. So just click finish and then you check your website. Right, so thanks for watching. Okay, also your backups can be found here. Your backups, what backup that you've done, I found here. You can download the backups. Also, if you can log in to cPanel, control panel, there you can find also the backups. The backups, you can find them there. Right, for example, in this case, if you explore WP content plugins, not plugins, but here under this one here,